Hi students, I'm Prakash, Chartered Accountant and acting as Academic Advisor in Masterminds. I hope that all of you have written your CA Inter Advanced Accounting exam well. Whether you wrote exam well or not, please forget about it. Immediately start your preparation for the next examinations. That is your law examination. My dear students, today I received feedback from the students that the first question, that is compulsory question, is little bit tricky. So this is what I used to tell to the students. Never start reading the question paper, never start attempting the paper from the compulsory question. You need to learn a lesson from this incident, and from your next examinations, never start reading the question paper from the compulsory question. Never even start attempting from the compulsory question. Another thing that I heard from the students is those who have taken problem on consolidation as choice will definitely have enough time to write the exam because it's very lengthy problem. So you must be wise enough to decide which problem shall be taken as choice. Because once you read the problem, sometimes you may not be able to assess how much time it may take. But you must be able to visualize. So if I start attempting this problem, how many minutes it will consume? Is it really worth to attempt this problem or not? Anyhow, the best part of today's paper is the coverage of questions from the chapters that got newly added in the new scheme is very less. It's definitely a student-friendly decision for the students who have shifted from old scheme to new scheme, because this time it is mandatory for old scheme students to convert. So that's why definitely institute has taken care of such kind of students. And another best part of the paper is, yes, MCQs are definitely good. So students who may not have that much skills in attempting descriptive questions can definitely do well in MCQs. So majority of the students told me that, so to attempt all the MCQs, it took around 45 to 50 minutes. In my opinion, it is worth, because 30 marks coverage is there in MCQs. And that too, when you attempt a descriptive question or descriptive problem, there is no guarantee that you will get the full marks. But when it comes to MCQ, if you attempt it properly, then you can be sure of getting full marks. And another thing which I really felt happy is, there are some of the questions in the question paper which are not there in the study material of new scheme, but they were already covered in Masterminds material. Several institutions were on an opinion that since this is the first attempt under new scheme, it is quite sufficient to teach what is given in the study material of new scheme. As against to this, we prepared our material covering not only the study material of new scheme, but also all other ICA sources of 2017 scheme as well as 2012 scheme. ICA sources, I mean to say study material, RTPs, MTPs, question papers. Our coverage of the material is extremely well. So that definitely helped majority of the students to attempt the problems with confidence. Yes, some other students might have already might have attempted well, even though they did not prepared in Masterminds material. But when you are able to see a problem which is already covered in your material, definitely you will feel more confident. That is the main advantage of preparing in Masterminds material, which is highly comprehensive. It's like a one-stop solution. In this examination, students who have already followed Masterminds material might have understood what is the advantage or edge they will have in preparing in such kind of comprehensive materials. Anyhow, I request all of you to start your preparation seriously for your law examination. Come out of any wrong notions or assumptions that law exam will be easy, taxation will be easy. So don't make such kind of assumptions. As far as my prediction is concerned, in my opinion, most probably among all the papers of group 1, taxation paper could be little bit challenging. Remember, my dear students, if at all taxation paper is going to be challenging, then your GST theory questions will definitely help you a lot. And even though the paper is challenging, definitely MCQs will help you to score your qualifying marks. And even though the paper is challenging, you will definitely score at least 45 to 50 marks, and at least 45 to 50 marks questions will be easy to answer. You need to score maximum in those areas. All the best, my dear students.